Whoa. Hi there. It's been an exciting week right here at the Mews Forest. In fact, the last few days, we did something. And by we, I mean the tree guy. I had several trees removed from this site over here, and I'm so excited to show everybody because this right here is now getting closer to reality of building the Sugar Shack, Nature Center, and Family Pavilion. 3,000. And you gotta have fun with it. I'm having fun with it. But the one thing I don't like is bittersweet because I wanted to preserve as much of the forest as possible. By removing the trees, well, I'm left with a hole, and I knew that. But we're doing it in a very careful way. And several of the stumps have been removed. And unfortunately, I had a lot of saplings back here. And when you remove the trees, when you fill the trees, a lot of the branches come down and they end up taking out a lot of the saplings, which I didn't intend to take down. But we can replant, we can rebuild, we can bring it back together. So in this video, you're gonna see how the tree company came by and felled some of the trees. I was like a little schoolboy watching this thing, and after work, seeing it all come together. Did a pretty good job, but I still have my work cut out for me. So take a look. Yeah. Day one of felling the trees. A lot of progress, a lot of trees were taken down. I hate seeing healthy trees come down, but the project site is looking fantastic. Well, I mean, it's a royal mess, but it will look pretty good. Yeah. It's gonna be a thing. This one was a big tree. And it was as tall as the other ones. Well, it's been a big impact here. You can see all the trees that have been felled and piled up. What I don't like about these piles, I have small kids, and I want to make sure that they don't crawl on these logs. These logs can kill someone. If they roll over on someone, it can crush you. It can crush a small child, it can crush an adult. So my first prerogative is to get these timbers cut up. I'm going to spend some time cutting up these timbers. I would love to get a mobile sawmill brought on site so I can reuse some of this wood to build the Sugar Shack, but I'll still need to season it, dry it, all that. So I don't think that's going to be practical for my particular application. You can see a lot of the stumps have been ground and some of the stumps have been removed to make way. I'm going to be laying out the location of the Sugar Shack in just a few more days. Sadly, I had everything laid out precisely where I wanted, and I made the mistake forgetting that when I felled the trees and we had the excavator and the machines here, that I was going to cover up everything I laid out, all the spray paint that I have. But I put a few pins in where I marked it, and I'll take the old metal detector and find where those pins are. So that's my plan. And then I'll reassemble the cones, get everything marked out. Next week, I am getting some dirt put on here to level up the grass to the driveway. And when the excavator comes to level out the dirt, they're going to also come and level this out a little bit. And they're going to dig the holes for me. 14 holes, 14 piers that I got to put in here in this area to build the building. And in the next video, I'll show you the actual design that I have. It's still pending with the building department. I kind of want to get approval from the building department before showing you all, but I am excited. And Ruby McRuberson is excited too. She loves this area. It's really opened up our yard, for better or for worse. I'm not a big fan of the openness, and we will plant some other trees here once the building's in place. We're going to rebuild, regrow, and repopulate this forest. At least that's my plan. And go from there. Thanks for watching.